Hey there! Today, let's dive into the world of G-protein-coupled receptors, or GPCRs for short. These little molecular machines are crucial for many of our body's functions, and understanding them can make a lot of biology concepts fall into place. First off, what are G-protein-coupled receptors? Simply put, they are a large family of cell surface receptors that detect molecules outside the cell and activate internal signal transduction pathways and cellular responses. Imagine them like doorbells on the surface of a cell. When a specific molecule or ligand binds to a GPCR, it's like pressing the doorbell, signaling that something needs to happen inside the cell. GPCRs are involved in many physiological processes, including vision, taste, smell, and even mood regulation. They are the targets for a large portion of modern medicinal drugs. But how do they actually work? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Ligand binding. A ligand, which can be anything from a hormone to a neurotransmitter, approaches the GPCR and binds to it. This binding causes a change in the shape of the GPCR. Step 2. Activation of the G protein. The GPCR is now in an active state and can interact with a nearby G protein. The G protein is made up of 3 subunits: alpha, beta, and gamma. When the GPCR activates the G protein, the alpha subunit exchanges GDP for GTP, effectively turning the G protein on. Step 3. Signal transduction. The activated G protein can now go on and activate other proteins within the cell. This sets off a cascade of events, leading to the cell's response to the initial signal. Think of it like a domino effect, where one action triggers another, and so on. Finally, step 4. Termination of the signal. The G protein eventually hydrolyzes GTP back to GDP, turning itself off. The GPCR returns to its original shape and is ready to bind another ligand. Now, let's quickly visualize this with a flowchart. We'll start with the ligand binding to the GPCR, activating the G protein, setting off the signal transduction pathway, and finally, the termination of the signal. Understanding GPCRs can be a game changer for students diving into cellular biology. These receptors are involved in so many processes that once you get a handle on how they work, a lot of other concepts start to make sense. So, next time you hear about GPCRs, you'll know they're like the cell's doorbells, crucial for many essential processes in the body. I hope this explanation made it a bit easier to grasp. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy-to-understand biology content. See you next time.